Good morning, dear students. May you all are studying in your houses. Today I am going to teach you activity based on HCF of two number, which is the first activity of your syllabus. Today's topic is HCF of two numbers. Now I am finding with the help of activity, which is the first activity of your syllabus. Let's start. First of all, the objective of this activity to find the HCF of two numbers experimentally based on Euclid's division lemma. Second, prerequisite knowledge. First of all, we go through the concept of HCF and Euclid's division lemma. Every one of you know what is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Second part is Euclid division lemma. You know Euclid division lemma is A is equal to BQ plus R, where remainder greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to B. This is the main basic concept which I am used today in my activity. A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 is less than equal to R and R is less than equal to B. In the prerequisite knowledge, again, first of all, we go through the concept of HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Second part is Euclid division lemma. A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than R less than B. Okay, now the material required. We need a glaze paper or a craft paper, colored 4 colors. Second, scissor. Then we need a glue. Okay, you take any type of paper, craft paper, glaze paper, which paper easily available to you, you can use that paper for today's activity. Then start with the activity. Now the procedure. Cut strips of different size. Now here I am taking two numbers 10 and ten and 6. Today's topic is HCF of two numbers. I am taking two numbers 10 and 6. Now by activity method, I am finding the HCF of that number. First of all, we have to cut one strip of 10 centimeter. Cut one strip of 10 centimeter. Two strips of 6 centimeter and two strips of 4 centimeter and two strips of 2 centimeter. For verification, we need 5 strips of 2 centimeter more. I am already cutting these strips for you to make your activity more easily. Okay, let's start. First of all, take a 10 centimeter strip and paste here. Now I am going to tell you the procedure. Procedure. Procedure of activity. First of all, I am taking a 10 centimeter strip and paste like this. Okay, paste like this. Now I am taking a 6 centimeter strip, which I am already makes a cutout for you, and paste like this. Okay, now my 10 centimeter strip is longer than 6 centimeter because the number 10 is greater than number 6. This is my figure number 1. Now, first of all, I am making you clear how I am taking this. When I take HCF of 10, 6 ones are 6, we are remaining left with remainder 4. because our remainder not comes to 0, then we again apply the procedure for 4 and 6. 4 ones are 4, remaining left with remainder 2. Now we again apply the procedure for 2 and 4, 2 2s are 4, and we at that stage our remainder is equal to 0. So our HCF is 2. Now I am finding this with the help of my activity. Now my first figure is that I am pasting a 10 centimeter strip, then I am pasting a 6 centimeter strip. Now I am remaining left with some part, that is my remainder. Here my remainder is 4. Now for the second step I am going to apply my procedure for 4 and 6. Now I am pasting a 4 centimeter 6 centimeter strip first. 6 centimeter strip first. Then I am going to apply lima for 6 and 4. Then I paste my 4 centimeter strip. Okay. Then I paste my 4 centimeter strip. I am just taking out a tape from. Okay. Now I am pasting 4 centimeter strip. Now again we are remaining left with some part, that is our remainder. Here I am left with 2, that is my remainder. Now for the third step again we are going to perform the same procedure by Euclid division lemma for 4 and 2. Now I am pasting a 4 centimeter strip. Now I am pasting a 4 centimeter strip. Okay, that is my 4 centimeter strip. Now in this step I am performing a function lemma for 4 and 2, and the complete divide. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, so our remainder is 0. Now my 4 centimeter strip is divided into 2 equal parts of 2 centimeter strip. This is 2 and this is 2. Look, this is 2. And now I am not remaining left with any part. So our procedure stop for that part. In first part we are remaining left with 4 centimeter. In the second part we are remaining left with 2 centimeter. In the third part we are remaining left with 0. Our remainder is 0. This is figure number 2 and this is figure number 3. So when remainder comes to 0, we stop our procedure. At that time the divisor is 2. So the HCF of 10 and 6 is 2. This is our answer. Now this is our observations by using a Euclid division lemma. A is equal to B cube plus R, 0 is less than equal to R and R is less than B. In the first figure, I am performing a function for 10 and 6. In the second figure, I am performing a function for 6 and 4. In the third figure, I am performing a function for 4 and 2. Now at the third step, our remainder is 0. So we stop our procedure. At that time, the divisor is 2. So the HCF of 10 and 6 is 2. I am repeating once again how you to do this exercise, this lab activity in your maths lab activity book. Okay. First of all, you write the topic. Topic is HCF of 2 numbers. There is no need to write it 10 or 6. Only topic name is HCF of 2 numbers. Objectives: to find the HCF of 2 number experimentally based on division lemma. Third is prerequisite knowledge, HCF and Euclid division lemma. Material required: glaze paper, 4 types of color, scissors and glue. Procedure: cut 1 strip of 10 cm, 2 strips of 6 cm, 2 strips of 4 centimeter and 2 strips of 2 centimeter. For the first figure, paste it like this. For the second figure, paste it like this. And for the third figure, paste it like this. At the third step, our remainder is equal to 0. So our procedure stops. At that stage, the HCF is 2. Thanks. Have a nice day.